Marketing for wedding planners, strategies to skyrocket your business. As a wedding planner, you know that weddings are one of the most important and memorable events in people's lives. But with so much competition in the industry, it can be a challenge to stand out and attract new clients. That's where effective marketing strategies come in. By implementing the latest marketing tactics and techniques, you can not only grow your business but also create a strong brand identity and loyal customer base. In this video, I'll be sharing the most powerful and proven marketing strategies that successful wedding planners use to attract more clients, increase sales, and build a strong online presence. We'll cover everything from understanding your target market and optimizing your website for SEO to leveraging social media, video marketing, and influencer collaborations. So if you're ready to take your wedding planning business to the next level, get ready for an exciting and informative ride. Let's dive in. Understanding your target market. As a wedding planner, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your ideal client so that you can create tailored marketing messages and attract the right type of clientele. Here are some key steps to define your ideal client. Define your ideal client. Let's say you are a wedding planner based in Bangalore, and your ideal client is a young couple between the ages of 25 to 35 with a budget of 5 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees. They are looking for a traditional South Indian wedding with a modern twist, and want to incorporate eco-friendly and sustainable elements into their wedding. Research competitors and identify gaps in the market. You can conduct a competitive analysis by researching other wedding planners in Bangalore and analyzing their websites, social media channels, and customer reviews. Let's say you found that most wedding planners in Bangalore focus on traditional weddings and don't offer eco-friendly or sustainable options. You can identify this as a gap in the market and differentiate yourself by offering eco-friendly and sustainable options for your clients. Tailor your marketing message to resonate with your target audience. To connect with your ideal client, you can create marketing messages that highlight your eco-friendly and sustainable options for a modern South Indian wedding. For example, you can write blog posts on your website about sustainable wedding trends and how to incorporate them into a traditional South Indian wedding, share photos on your social media channels of eco-friendly and sustainable wedding decor, and create advertising campaigns that target young couples in Bangalore who are looking for a unique and sustainable wedding experience. By defining your ideal client, researching your competitors, and tailoring your marketing message to resonate with your target audience, you can attract the right type of clientele and differentiate yourself from the competition in Bangalore's wedding planning industry. Search Engine Optimization (SEO). As a wedding planner, your website is your online storefront and the first point of contact with potential clients. Having an optimized website can help you establish credibility, build trust, and convert website visitors into paying customers. Here are some key steps to optimize your website for search engines. Firstly, creating an attractive website that showcases your services, portfolio, and pricing is essential. The website should feature high-quality photos of weddings you have organized, as well as customer testimonials, contact information, and a blog section for wedding planning tips and advice. Secondly, search engine optimization is critical for wedding planners to reach potential clients who are actively searching for wedding planning services online. By ranking high in search engine results pages, SERPs, you can attract more organic traffic to your website, increase brand visibility, and generate more leads and sales. To optimize your website for search engines, conduct keyword research to identify the keywords and phrases that potential clients are using to search for wedding planning services online. Use tools such as Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush to find relevant keywords and estimate their search volume and competition. Target keywords that are relevant to your services, location, and target audience, and include them in your website content, page titles, and meta descriptions. Additionally, optimize your content for search engines by including relevant keywords, using descriptive and keyword-rich titles and meta descriptions, and adding alt text to your images. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can attract more organic traffic to your website, generate more leads and sales, and establish yourself as a credible and authoritative wedding planner in your industry. Social media marketing. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are powerful tools for wedding planners to promote their services, connect with potential clients, and showcase their portfolio. Here's how each platform can be useful for wedding planners. Instagram marketing. Instagram is a visual platform that's perfect for showcasing your portfolio of wedding planning services and inspiring potential clients with beautiful images and videos. You can use Instagram to create a strong brand identity, build engagement with your audience through comments and direct messages, and drive traffic to your website. To create engaging content on Instagram, you can post behind-the-scenes photos and videos, client testimonials, wedding inspiration boards, and share tips and advice on wedding planning. Utilize Instagram's features such as Instagram Stories, Reels, and IGTV to showcase your work and provide value to your audience. Facebook marketing. Facebook is a versatile platform that allows you to create a business page to showcase your services and connect with potential clients through comments and direct messages. You can use Facebook to build a community around your brand, promote your services through Facebook ads, and drive traffic to your website. To create engaging content on Facebook, you can post photos and videos of your work, share blog posts and articles, and run contests and giveaways to encourage engagement. Utilize Facebook's features such as Facebook Live, Facebook Groups, and Facebook Events to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform that's perfect for showcasing your portfolio and inspiring potential clients with wedding planning ideas and tips. You can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website, build brand awareness, and establish yourself as an authority in the wedding planning industry. To create engaging content on Pinterest, you can create wedding inspiration boards, share tips and advice on wedding planning, and collaborate with other wedding industry professionals. Utilize Pinterest's features such as rich pins, promoted pins, and Pinterest analytics to promote your services and measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. By utilizing the unique features of each platform, creating engaging content, and growing your audience, you can leverage social media to promote your wedding planning services, connect with potential clients, and establish your brand as a credible and authoritative player in the industry. Google Ads. As a wedding planner, you can use online advertising platforms such as Google Ads and Bing Ads to promote your services and reach potential clients. Google Ads, in particular, is a powerful tool for targeting potential clients who are actively searching for wedding planning services online. One of the key benefits of using Google Ads is that you can create highly targeted campaigns that reach the right audience. For example, you can create search ads campaigns that target specific keywords related to wedding planning, such as wedding planner in Bangalore, destination wedding planner, or affordable wedding planner. In addition to targeting specific keywords, you can also specify geographic locations, such as specific cities or zip codes, to ensure your ads reach potential clients in your target market. You can also target specific demographics, such as age, gender, and interests, to further refine your audience. Google Ads offers different types of campaigns that you can use to reach potential clients. Search ads campaigns are text-based ads that appear at the top or bottom of Google's search engine results pages, SERPs. Display ads campaigns, on the other hand, use visual-based ads that appear on websites and mobile apps that are part of Google's display network. Remarketing ads campaigns target users who have previously visited your website or interacted with your brand. To optimize your Google Ads campaigns, it's important to set a budget and bid for specific keywords that are relevant to your services and target audience. You can also adjust your ad schedule to show your ads during peak hours when potential clients are most likely to search for wedding planning services. Another key feature of Google Ads is its analytics tools, which allow you to track your ad performance and adjust your targeting and bidding strategies accordingly. By monitoring your ad metrics, such as impressions, clicks, and conversions, you can identify areas for improvement and adjust your campaigns to maximize your ROI. Content marketing. Content marketing is a strategy that involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage a specific target audience. For wedding planners, content marketing can be an effective way to reach potential clients, build brand awareness, and establish themselves as thought leaders in the industry. Importance of content marketing for wedding planners. Content marketing allows you to provide valuable information and insights to potential clients, establish yourself as a credible authority in the industry, and build trust with your audience. By creating and promoting high-quality content, you can attract potential clients to your website, increase your search engine rankings, and generate leads for your business. Creating valuable content. To create valuable content, you should first identify the needs and interests of your target audience. Consider the questions and concerns that your clients typically have and create content that provides answers and solutions. This could include blog posts, guides, e-books, videos, infographics, and other types of content that are relevant and informative to your audience. For example, a wedding planner could create a blog post titled 10 Tips for Planning Your Dream South Indian Wedding, which provides practical advice and insights on how to plan a wedding in South India. They could also create an e-book titled The Ultimate Guide to Planning a Destination Wedding in India, which provides comprehensive information and tips on how to plan a wedding at a specific destination. Promoting your content. Once you've created valuable content, you need to promote it through various channels to reach your target audience. This could include social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. For example, wedding planner could share their blog posts and e-books on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and encourage their followers to engage with and share their content. They could also use email marketing to send newsletters and updates to their subscribers and include links to their content. Finally, they could optimize their content for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags for images. By promoting their content effectively, wedding planner can increase their visibility, reach more potential clients, and drive traffic to their website. This, in turn, can help them generate leads and grow their business. Video marketing. Video marketing has become increasingly important for wedding planners to reach potential clients, showcase their work, and build brand awareness. By creating engaging video content, wedding planners can provide a more immersive and interactive experience for their audience. Here are some examples of how wedding planners can use video marketing to grow their business. Creating engaging video content. Wedding planners can create various types of videos to showcase their work and provide value to their audience. For example, they can create client testimonials, behind-the-scenes footage, and wedding highlights. Client testimonials. Wedding planners can ask their clients to share their experiences and feedback in a video testimonial. This can help potential clients to understand the quality of their work and the level of satisfaction that their clients have. Behind-the-scenes footage. Wedding planners can provide a glimpse into their work process by creating behind-the-scenes videos. This can help potential clients to understand the effort that goes into planning a wedding and build a connection with the planner. Wedding highlights. Wedding planners can create videos that showcase the highlights of a wedding, such as a ceremony, reception, and dance performances. These videos can be used to showcase their work to potential clients and build brand awareness. Utilizing various video platforms. Wedding planners can use various video platforms to showcase their work and reach potential clients. Some of the most popular video platforms include YouTube and Instagram. YouTube. Wedding planners can create a YouTube channel to showcase their work and provide value to their audience. They can create various types of videos, including client testimonials, behind-the-scenes footage, and wedding highlights. Instagram. Wedding planners can use Instagram to share short-form videos, such as behind-the-scenes footage and wedding highlights. They can also use Instagram stories to provide a more interactive experience for their audience. Referral programs and client testimonials. Word-of-mouth marketing can be a powerful tool for wedding planners looking to grow their business. By creating an effective referral program and collecting client testimonials, wedding planners can leverage the positive experiences of their past clients to attract new clients and build credibility. Here are some strategies that wedding planners can use. Power of word-of-mouth marketing. Word-of-mouth marketing is a powerful tool for wedding planners, as it can lead to high-quality leads and increased brand recognition. When a satisfied client recommends your services to their friends or family, it can lead to a new client and create a snowball effect. Creating an effective referral program. Wedding planners can create a referral program that rewards clients for recommending their services. For example, they can offer a discount on their services or a gift card to a popular restaurant. By incentivizing their clients to refer new business, they can encourage them to spread the word about their services. Collecting and showcasing client testimonials. Wedding planners can collect testimonials from their clients and showcase them on their website and social media platforms. Client testimonials can help to build credibility and trust with potential clients, as they provide social proof of the quality of your work. Wedding planners can also create case studies or success stories that highlight the positive outcomes of their past projects. For example, a wedding planner can ask their clients to fill out a survey after the wedding to collect feedback on their services. They can use this feedback to create compelling client testimonials that highlight the benefits of working with them. They can then showcase these testimonials on their website and social media platforms to build credibility and attract new clients. Local search engine optimization and Google My Business. For wedding planners targeting a specific geographical area, local SEO and Google My Business can be powerful tools to increase visibility and attract new clients. By optimizing their website for local search and claiming and optimizing their Google My Business listing, wedding planners can improve their visibility in local search results and build credibility. Here are some strategies that wedding planners can use. Importance of local SEO. Local SEO is the process of optimizing your website and online presence to improve visibility in local search results. For wedding planners targeting a specific geographical area, local SEO can help them to reach potential clients in their area who are searching for wedding planning services. By using location-specific keywords and creating localized content, wedding planners can increase their chances of appearing in local search results. Optimizing your website for local search. Wedding planners can optimize their website for local search by using location-specific keywords and creating localized content. For example, they can create blog posts that showcase weddings they have planned in the local area or create location-specific landing pages for their services. They can also ensure that their website is mobile-friendly and has a fast loading time, as these are important factors for local SEO. Claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing. Google My Business is a free tool provided by Google that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. By claiming and optimizing their Google My Business listing, wedding planners can improve their visibility in local search results and provide potential clients with important information about their business, such as their address, phone number, and hours of operation. Wedding planners can also use Google My Business to post updates about their business and respond to reviews from past clients. For example, a wedding planner based in Bangalore can optimize their website for local search by using location-specific keywords such as Bangalore Wedding Planner or Wedding Planner in Bangalore. They can also create blog posts or landing pages that showcase weddings they have planned in Bangalore. They can then claim and optimize their Google My Business listing by adding their business information and photos, responding to reviews, and posting updates about their business. Collaborations with influencers and bloggers. Influencer marketing can be a powerful strategy for wedding planners to increase their reach and attract new clients. By partnering with influencers and bloggers in the wedding industry, wedding planners can tap into their audience and build credibility. Some tips for successful collaborations and partnerships include: choosing partners who align with your brand values and target audience. Providing value to their audience through discounts, exclusive content, or giveaways. Creating engaging content that resonates with their audience. Measuring success through metrics such as engagement, traffic, and conversions. For example, a wedding planner can collaborate with a popular wedding blogger in Bangalore to create a blog post showcasing their work. By offering a discount or providing exclusive content to the blogger's audience, they can provide value and increase their reach in the wedding industry. Conclusion. In this video, we've covered various marketing strategies that can help wedding planners to grow their businesses, including understanding your target market, optimizing your website for SEO, leveraging social media, video marketing, and collaborations with influencers and bloggers. To recap, some of the key takeaways from this video include: defining your ideal client and tailoring your marketing message to resonate with your target audience. Optimizing your website for SEO to increase visibility in search results. Leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience and engage with potential clients. Creating engaging video content and utilizing platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Building successful collaborations with influencers and bloggers to increase your reach and build credibility. We encourage viewers to implement these marketing strategies in their own wedding planning businesses to attract new clients and grow their businesses. Remember to measure your success and adjust your strategies as needed. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you.